Which regulatory authority is charged with overseeing banking privacy under the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, GLBA? A. Federal Trade Commission, FTC. B. Federal Communications Commission, FCC. C. Comptroller of the Currency. D. Department of Commerce, DOC. Correct answer is C. Comptroller of the Currency. What is the primary role of state attorneys general in the context of U.S. privacy law? A. Enforcing federal privacy laws only. B. Issuing regulations related to state privacy laws. C. Enforcing state privacy laws and, in some cases, federal laws. D. Overseeing the implementation of self-regulatory programs. Correct answer is C. Enforcing state privacy laws and, in some cases, federal laws. Which concept best describes the legal principle that federal law takes precedence over conflicting state laws? A. Judicial discretion. B. Federalism. C. Preemption. D. Jurisdiction. Correct answer is C. Preemption. The right to be forgotten is primarily associated with which type of law? A. U.S. common law. B. European Union law. C. U.S. constitutional law. D. U.S. contract law. Correct answer is B. European Union law. Which authority is primarily responsible for enforcing the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA? A. Department of Health and Human Services, HHS. B. Federal Trade Commission, FTC. C. Federal Communications Commission, FCC. D. State Attorneys General. Correct answer is B. Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The concept of jurisdiction can be complex in the context of digital privacy due to A. The location of the data subject. B. The physical location of data storage. C. The applicability of international law. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Self-regulatory programs and trust marks in the U.S. privacy environment are designed to A. Replace federal privacy regulations. B. Provide a mechanism for industry-specific privacy practices. C. Act as the primary enforcement mechanism for privacy violations. D. Serve as legal advice for companies. Correct answer is B. Provide a mechanism for industry-specific privacy practices. In the context of U.S. privacy law, common law refers to A. Statutes passed by Congress. B. Privacy regulations issued by the FTC. C. Judicial decisions that create legal precedents. D. Agreements between states. Correct answer is C. Judicial decisions that create legal precedents. Which of the following best describes the role of the Department of Commerce, DOC, in privacy? A. Directly enforcing consumer privacy laws. B. Facilitating international trade and compliance with privacy frameworks. C. Regulating financial privacy under the GLBA. D. Overseeing healthcare information privacy. Correct answer is B. Facilitating international trade and compliance with privacy frameworks. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has authority over privacy matters related to A. Healthcare information. B. Financial information. C. Children's online activities. D. Telecommunications and broadband services. Correct answer is D. Telecommunications and broadband services.